Ginger is a spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal and culinary purposes. It has many health benefits, such as anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and antioxidant properties. It may also help with weight loss, arthritis, menstrual symptoms, and more. Benefits of ginger. Ginger can help with nausea and vomiting. Ginger can reduce inflammation and pain. Ginger can boost the immune system and fight infections. Ginger can lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Ginger can improve digestion and prevent constipation. Ginger can enhance brain function and memory. Ginger can prevent or treat colds and flu. Ginger can ease menstrual cramps and bloating. Ginger can increase metabolism and burn calories. Ginger can relieve headaches and migraines. Ginger can freshen breath and prevent bad odor. Ginger can soothe sore throat and cough. Ginger can protect against cancer and oxidative stress. Ginger can prevent kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Ginger can regulate blood pressure and prevent hypertension. Ginger can improve blood circulation and prevent blood clots. Ginger can reduce stress and anxiety. Ginger can promote skin health and prevent acne. Ginger can support liver function and detoxification. Ginger can act as an aphrodisiac and improve sexual performance. However, ginger is not a silent killer, nor is it a superfood. The term superfood is not a scientific one, but a marketing one, used to influence food trends and sell products. There is no single food that can provide all the nutrients and health benefits that a person needs. A balanced and varied diet is the best way to achieve optimal health. Ginger is a safe and healthy spice for most people, but it may have some side effects or interactions for some individuals. For example, ginger may not be suitable for people who are pregnant, have bleeding disorders, or take certain medications. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a doctor before taking large amounts of ginger or ginger supplements. In conclusion, ginger is neither a silent killer nor a superfood, but a spice that has many health benefits and some potential risks. You can enjoy ginger in moderation as part of a healthy diet, but do not expect it to cure or prevent any diseases.